morning everyone. Me and my teammates are here to present a PowerPoint presentation on business model canvas on Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is a carbonated soft drink produced by Coca-Cola Company of Atlanta. Coca-Cola Company is an American multinational corporation and manufacturer, retailer and non-alcoholic beverage company. Coca-Cola currently offers more than 500 brands over 200 countries or territories and serves over 1.7 billion. Founder of Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola invented in 1886 by pharmacist John Smith in Columbus, Georgia.
Major product of Coca-Cola. The Coca-Cola is world favorite drink in beginning in 1886. It is available packaging material like glass bottles, PET container. Glass bottles are available in 200 ml, 300 ml and 330 ml. PET bottles are available in commercial size like 400 ml, 500 ml, 600 ml, 1 liter and 2 liter.
Sub-brands of Coca-Cola. Thumbs Up. It is the most powerful soft drink in India. It has strong cola taste and made of version with existing personality. It has strong fizzy taste. Glass bottles are available in 200 ml, 300 ml and 330 ml size. PET bottles are available in commercial size like 400 ml, 500 ml, 750, 1.25 liter, 1.5 liter. Fanta. It is identified as fun catalyst. Fanta stands for its vibrant color, tempting taste and tingling bubbles that upstills feeling but also helps free spirit. Glass bottles are available in 200 ml, 300 ml and 330 ml. PET bottles are available in commercial size like 400 ml, 500 ml and also 2.5.
Analysis, strengths, weakness, strengths, brand recognition, customer loyalty, worldwide network of partners, geography, diversity, market leader. Weakness, relatively established in markets, growing health conscious consumers.
Conclusion. Coca-Cola Company understands that in today's business world, technology is very essential to run such big company like Coca-Cola. Therefore, the Coca-Cola Company uses different types of technology such as creating database and data warehouse about their customers and suppliers, doing business with customers and other business through internet.